Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is episode 15 of season 2, and we're going to answer the question, what is DNA? Anybody want to take a guess? Anyone want to try? Come on. Anybody? Anyone? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Anyone? 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 All right. Let me go ahead and answer that question. So, what is DNA? Well, DNA is self-replicating material that is present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent of chromosomes. In other words, it's the carrier of genetic information that passes on your genes, your genetic stuff, to the next generation. Now, the letters DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid. Plainly put, I've stated this, it's your genetic information and it is found in the nucleus of all your cells. If you were to take this genetic information out of the nucleus and stretch it out, it would be about 6 feet in length. Wow. Amazing to think how this is wound up and folded in such a way that it fits inside the nucleus of our cells. Wow. Well, DNA itself is double-stranded. That means it's 2 strands running parallel. In fact, they refer to it being antiparallel because one runs a certain direction starting at one point to another, and the one goes opposite in the other direction, so it's called antiparallel. They run side by side, but difference in direction. It's a little more complicated. It talks about 5' and 3', and I'll probably could cover that in a future video. Well, it's also made up of 4 chemical bases, A, T, G, and C. A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, G stands for guanine, and C stands for cytosine. Now, in addition to that, there's also phosphate and a sugar called deoxyribose. That makes up what is DNA in summary. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to our fun science fact of the day, which should get you a gold star. Okay, if you don't catch the pun, don't worry, it's okay. Get this. The starfish species Porcellanaster ivanovi has been found to live in water as deep, get this, as 24,881 feet. Also in SI units, that'd be 7,584 meters. That's living pretty deep. And one thing that I've told students in the past is that as you go further down in the ocean, it gets colder because you're moving further away from the sun. The pressure increases, and it gets darker. So for something to live down that far, it's got to be amazingly designed to live for that, which is pretty cool if you think about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. The question will be at the end of the video as always. Have a nice day, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Take care. Goodbye.